Hello guys, today we're gonna making a ES320's review, which is the latest coffee machine from Silpork. So the first step, we're gonna open the water tank cover, which is behind the machine, and then fill the water until the max line. And then we open the bean container and fill it with proper volume of coffee beans. And now we connect the cable cord to the machine. Then plug to the socket. Long press on the switch button. The machine starts up after one beep sound. The startup process including self-checking, warm-up, and self-cleaning. And now let's adjust the coffee parameter setting. Keep pressing the Espresso or Americano button until the selection menu turns on. When it starts flashing, and then we can adjust it. After all the coffee have done, we need to clean some parts of the coffee machine's accessories. Firstly, let's remove the wastewater collector, and then remove the waste bin. Then we move to the side part, open the side door, and remove the brewing union and waste tray. After all these accessories dry, let's just put it back.